In a world constantly racing forward, few pause to ask, what is the true source of my peace? Where does my life really begin and end? Isha Kriya, offered freely by Sadhguru, is not just a meditation. It's an invitation to peel back the illusions of identity and experience the boundless space within. Simple, accessible, and astonishingly profound, this practice has quietly transformed millions of lives across the globe. At its core, Isha Kriya is rooted in a timeless truth. You are not the body. You are not the mind. It's this realization, not as an idea, but as a living experience that dissolves inner turmoil and restores clarity. Sadhguru has distilled this ancient knowing into a powerful 12 to 18-minute daily process, one that can be practiced by anyone, anywhere, regardless of background, belief, or previous experience. But what makes Isha Kriya truly special is its accessibility. Unlike other mystical practices that may require initiation or years of preparation, this is something you can begin immediately. All it asks of you is a quiet space, a little time, and a willingness to turn inward. Before beginning, preparation is key. Choose a time when your body is at ease, ideally on an empty stomach. Sit comfortably, spine erect, eyes gently closed. The environment should be still and free from distractions. This is not just about sitting in silence, it's about aligning the body and breath to open the doorway within. Many first-time practitioners report feeling lighter, more centered, and surprisingly still, even if their minds were restless just moments before. Over time, regular practice leads to a profound shift in how one experiences life. Stress reduces, emotional reactions soften, and a deep inner stability begins to emerge. What sets Isha Kriya apart from generic mindfulness techniques is the dimension of existential insight. Sadhguru designed this practice not merely to soothe the surface but to penetrate to the very heart of who you are. It's not about fixing your life, it's about understanding the illusion of your limitations. The name Isha means the source of creation. Kriya means internal action. Together, they form a bridge from the fragmented experience of individuality to the silent, expansive realm where existence simply is. This is why many say Isha Kriya doesn't just help them feel better, it wakes them up to the vastness of life, to the mystery of being, and to the freedom that lies in knowing, I am not the body, I am not even the mind. It is recommended to practice twice a day for 48 days or once a day for 90 days. A commitment that sets the energetic foundation for inner transformation. But even one sincere session can shift something fundamental within you. As with all sacred practices, it is the sincerity of approach that matters more than technique. Let the words guide you. Let your breath become the bridge. And let the silence between thoughts become your sanctuary. If you find your thoughts resisting, that's okay. Don't fight them. Let them rise and fall like waves. What remains always is you, the still presence behind them. And if you feel nothing at all in the beginning, don't be discouraged. The deeper truths often emerge not in fireworks, but in quiet, enduring shifts. Over days and weeks, you may begin to notice a different quality to your presence, lighter, freer, and more alive. Practicing Isha Kriya is like watering a seed. The tree doesn't appear overnight, but the potential is sown. What grows from within is no less than a doorway to the divine. Let this not be another thing you try and forget. Let this be the beginning of your inward journey into silence, space, and self-realization. You don't need to believe anything. Just sit, breathe, and allow. If something in this resonated with you, even a whisper, take a moment to share this with someone who may need it. And if you'd like more content that opens the door inward, you're welcome to quietly subscribe and stay close. Sometimes, one breath is all it takes to change everything.